Minister of Health and Minister of Natural Resources toured sites at Hluthi, whereby both ministries are looking into constructing public toilets and a borehole as a pilot project. The Minister of Natural Resources, Jabulile Mashwana, says if the project is a success in Hluthi, the ministries will proceed to other places in the country. We have a report.
The Ministry of Natural Resources collaborated with the Ministry of Health and UNICEF in the launch of the Swaziland initiative of the Sanitation and Water for All pilot project. Swaziland is one of the countries where access to water and sanitation services is not equitable among the population, and the situation in Hluthi represents one such communities where such services are required. The Minister of Natural Resources, the Minister of Health and UNICEF representative toured the sites where public toilets and a borehole will be constructed. Minister of Natural Resources Jabulile Mashwana says the lack of sanitation is a major factor in causing various diseases, mostly diarrhea and worm infections. Therefore, a project of this kind is crucial.
Important for us as a country, a developing country, to ensure that as we provide clean water, we also ensure that people understand the importance of sanitation and we eradicate open defecation, which is what causes a lot of illnesses, and it stunts economic growth and it stunts its general improvements of any developing country. So as a nation, we're working together as the Minister of Natural Resources and the Minister of Health to put our focus together and ensure that as we implement clean water initiatives, we do that alongside the implementing sanitation initiatives. So we have a great project that we are launching today, which is a pilot project here at Hluthi. We know that Hluthi is a densely populated area, but the issues of sanitation and clean water, we're still lagging behind. So today it's a great honor, with the funding that we have been received from the cooperating partner UNICEF, to be able to launch this initiative.
The representative of the Minister of Health, Mduduzi Smojo Dlamini, says the ministry is working towards eliminating open defecation by 2021. And this cannot be achieved without a strong collaboration between government ministries. He says the ministry is committed to promote the provision of water, sanitation and hygiene services in the country.
Lapha sibona iproject lenkulu lengicabanga ukuthi itawuba inkulu vele kakhulu, ngoba itolo besisolo sikhala ukuthi emanti angakuphi tindlu lapho abantu bangakhona ukuthi basebente mhlawumbe tangansense tingakuphi. Namhla ke sibona umsebenzi omkhulu njengoba ubona baka UNICEF sebasibambisile. Ngingasho ukuthi sisi lapha kutawulekelela kakhulu nalidolobha lelithuthuka kwenje njengoba sila eHluthi enkundleni yaseHosiya, kwekuthi nabenda lemisebenzi ngoba uyabona ukuthi kuyakhiwa la kunema structures lamaningi. The more kukwanda abantu, the more kungasukuma nekugula lokwahluka.
The minister says through the support from Water Aid, the ministry is developing a sanitation and hygiene policy which will afterwards guide the development of sanitation and hygiene regulations. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula, Utsmuva Shongwe, Hluthi.